Today's topic is to count the overlapping substrings in a given string. So we are going to create a function named account over here, in which we are going to pass the two parameters, that is the string 1 and the string 2. After that, we have initialized variables, which is a count, on which we are counting the how many times the occurrence of the substring have been in the string, and we have them as another as an I. So we have used a while loop over here, so we are using it until this string completely gets exhausted. After that, we have used j is equals to string 1 dot find another string 2 of an I. So what does this mean is we are going to find the string 2 into our string 1 with the intent of an I. That is, it's going to start the searching for the string 2 at the ith position into our string number 1. And after that, we are storing that value into the j, and it's much more like a flag, right? So that's why I have taken a condition that if the j is not equal to the -1, then we are incrementing the value of an I, and we are incrementing the value of an count. Why we are incrementing the value of an I? The reason is it's a length, and it gets the starting from the 0, so we need to increment the value by +1. And else, if there is no further substring present into our given string, then we are just going to return the print, that is how much the occurrence has been done. And this is our driver code. So let's say if I have a string like this, AAA and this is the string, and I need to find the occurrences of AAA, and it's going to give me 8. See, the overlapping, it tends to be like this is the first, so it doesn't overlap, but the overlap starts from over here. It's going to start from the first index of the given string while moving the back the 0th index. So that's how the second takes place, and the third takes place while removing the third one. And after that, we have this one, which is the fourth over here, and after that, removing the first a and taking the next element a. This is how we get an fifth and sixth and then seventh and then the eighth. So that's how it going to count the overlapping of the substrings into a given string.